first step.
Okay, first step.
Get wine.
I'm going to turn the water down because, gosh, water is already boiling. So here we are cooking on a Sunday evening, and I have this tall, handsome drink of water here with me. I've got Reggie. Claudia, come join. Here we are, Claudia and Reggie cooking with Auntie Patti. Isn't that nice? My brother-in-law, Mike, went fishing in Mexico recently. The reason that's remarkable is he doesn't like to fish. But he went on a trip with some colleagues and brought back this amazing tuna here. So I thought we would Italianize this tuna a little bit. So Reggie is going to help me assemble this dish. So basically what we're going to do is poach the tuna steaks in a quick tomato sauce with basil and garlic and olive oil and olives and capers. These are Kalamata olives that have been pitted. We've got some capers, and you can have as much or as little as you like. We don't want it to overpower, but it gives you that nice, like, salty, briny taste, which is really good with fish. Okay. I have a can of good quality San Marzano tomatoes here because, well, you know, you just either do it right or don't do it at all.
That's right.
And we've got some basil from the garden, and we're having a nice little, what are we drinking? Barolo. We're drinking Barolo. So,
oh yeah.
Yeah. And we've already chopped our garlic. So, Reggie, I'm going to let you do this whole thing.
Okay.
And I'm just going to stand by and watch. So, medium heat, big skillet, olive oil.
Okay.
I would just basically coat the bottom of the pan. So you just go, and don't worry, I'll tell you when to stop. Keep going. In measuring, I would say probably about 1/4 cup of oil. Okay. Perfect. And what we have here is we have chopped up about 4 or 5 cloves of garlic. If you like less, put less. If you like more, probably this is more than you need. So, is that good? You like garlic, don't you? All right. So you can just take this and shove it all in there, and you've got a little wooden spoon over there for you to use. And so, Reggie, what we're looking for on that is basically stir it up so that it gets into the oil. Now, I like a little heat with my food, not a lot, but I like a little heat. So if you are going to add heat, you want to do it when your oil and garlic are cooking, because that's going to extract that little bit of heat from your
right, the oil's going to hold all the...
Yeah, exactly.
Sure.
All right. So I'm just going to come in here and just put a little pinch of this, okay? That should be good. Okay. So when your garlic starts to get fragrant and just slightly changes color like this, you're pretty much there. And you can't walk away from garlic because it will burn on you, and it's not salvageable. You got to start over again. So I just poured the tomatoes in, and then you want to just give that all a good stir so that the garlic stops cooking. Close it down a little. And then we're just going to mash up those big chunks of tomatoes so that you don't have big chunks of tomatoes. And then I'm just going to rinse the rest of the sauce out of the can a little bit and just add a little teeny bit of water to that. Okay? And I'll probably turn the flame down just a wee bit. Yeah, beautiful. Doesn't that smell good? So we're going to add salt. Don't be afraid of the salt.
Salt.
A nice hearty pinch of salt. You can always add more if you need more, but go easy, but it does need to be seasoned. Salt and pepper. Okay. So, nice little pinch. And then, here, I'll take that from you so we get rid of that. Yep. And if you want to go in and just put some nice cracked pepper in there, probably about 8 or 9 or 10 turns of the pepper mill. I'm also adding salt to my pasta water because we're going to cook this tuna in sauce, and it'll keep it nice and moist and delicious. and then we're gonna put it over pasta. Easy peasy, right? Okay.
So excited.
That smells good. I have some campanelle here, which means little bells. I've never understood that with this particular pasta shape because they don't really look like bells. But
Can we just show
yeah, you sure can.
when they make it?
Here's what they look like. Here's the little shape. Here's the package.
Bell-like, are they?
Campanelle. I just like them because they grab the sauce really
with
well.
the little ridges.
Yeah, but you can use pretty much any shaped pasta you like. So, about I'm gonna say a third of a cup of Kalamata olives here, maybe a couple of tablespoons of capers, and I'm gonna add that in now just to season and flavor the sauce. There we go. We'll let that cook. Alright, so I'm going to give you some nice fresh basil to put in there, and then we'll save some to put in at the very end. Yeah. Alright, I think I'm ready to come and give you these beautiful tuna steaks, which I'm going to nestle in the sauce here. There you have it. Sit on the lowest simmer that you can get that burner. Some peeled and deveined shrimp here that I tossed with just a little bit of olive oil and salt and pepper.
Perfect.
And they're going to spend about 2 minutes in the oven till they're just about done. I didn't really season them with anything more because they're going to go into a salad with dressing and other things.
Sweet.
So there you go. Sweet. Reggie, just... Well, now you made it, so you have to taste it and decide what it needs. Let's see. Oh, look at that. Right? Here, I'll let you do it. I don't want you to scald your... Romaine lettuce, some red thinly sliced onion, tomato, cucumber, some freshly chopped basil. The other secret ingredient is Trader Joe's sells this grain medley, and it looks like this. Multi-grain blend. Multi-grain blend.
Goes in the salad.
And dress the salad, and we're going to come back and check the shrimp because literally, see, look at that.
Okay.
Honestly,
This boils like 500 degrees.
yeah, I know. You can't really walk away.
Yes.
As soon as they change, then there's no more translucence.
Okay.
But they're right about there. You don't want to walk away from them. We are going to drain the pasta off and put it in this bowl, and then we're going to pour all of that over the pasta.
Cool.
Yes.
I like that plan.
In the meantime, I am doing a simple dressing for our salad with the olive oil and lemon. There it is.
Yeah, perfect.
They smell really good.
Sure do. Sure.
Alright, so our shrimp cooled off enough that I threw them here on top of the salad. Okay. Oh, that's beautiful.
Okay, we're pouring this over that.
Yeah, if you want, if it's easier, you can bring that whole pan over here. And you can I would maybe scoop out the pieces of fish to the side and then pour the rest of the sauce over.
Right.
Yeah. This is beautiful. Uh-huh. Smells heavenly.
Oh,
I have to tell you. Oh, look at that, huh? Just throw that right in the sink there, Reggie. Yeah.
she made the salad the other night, and I'm like, can we make this on Sunday?
We can make that. We make that all the time. Well done.
And then you just add a little fresh basil at the end
Fresh
for like
basil for brightness and.
just gives it like a nice.
Well done.
Yes.
Easy peasy, right?
That was fantastic.
That was
Yeah.
super fast.
Yeah. I'm gonna take a picture of dinner. Oh, my phone is filthy. It's beautiful. Okay.
Do you want me to do it on your phone?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
You fix the camera. I think there's schmear on the camera. Thank you.
Yeah.
All right.
Thank you. All right, we need a big spoon, like that big stainless spoon.
It's already done. That was fast.
Right?
I know, right?
Yeah. I remember all this.
Really very.
This is like the best, fastest thing ever.
Right? I know.
Get some tuna.
Guys, because one of you was blinking in almost every photo.
Was him.
I'm actually a professional at blinking.